Listening to Jeff and Dave and you talking about, kind of going from day 1 to day 90 in the cleaning industry and how to stay consistent. Dave brought up, the staff and the training. So I'm just going to say, in my opinion, I think it boils down to the 5 R's of janitorial. I'm going to get into the 5 R's. So it starts with the staff. You have to have the right staff. That's first and foremost. It's attitude, it's aptitude, it's finding the right people for the job. So it starts with the right staff. Who's on your front line? Have to have that. Then the right training. Dave brought that up too. You have to have training to the cleaner or the tech or the account manager, not only about scrubbing toilets and emptying trash. We're talking about locking and securing the building. Okay, we're talking about damage. Being spatially aware of your surroundings. There's all different kinds of training programs that we have that covers all this stuff. So it's a very intense, thorough training. Have to have the right training. You have to have the right chemicals. Okay, you can't use window cleaner to clean a kitchen floor, and you can't use degreaser to clean an entrance glass, right? You have to have the right chemicals. You have to dilute them properly. No glug method, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. No, you have to dilute it properly with the right amount of water, right? Make it so the floors aren't sticky and what have you. You have to have the right equipment. That's the fourth one. You have to have the right equipment for the job. So, microfiber mops are great, and they work on many surfaces, but they don't work on some porous surfaces. You might need to use the old school cotton loop mop. So equipment is very important. And the fifth of the 5 R's that I think is the most important of them all is the right amount of time to do the job. People, different customers, different prospects will have grand opinions and big scopes of work, and they'd want the place looking like the Taj Mahal, and we can definitely provide that for you, but we have to have the right amount of time to do it.